Sound has gone from momentum favorite to correction mode pretty fast. The stock has been making lower highs, lower lows, and honestly, that's not something I want to fight. The good news is we are finally approaching a support area around 678 where buyers could start getting interested again. What I need to see is a strong reclaim of 730 before I even think about getting bullish. Until that happens, this is just a bounce candidate, not a trend reversal. In my eyes, patience is the trade here. Let the market show its hand first. If you want my exact execution framework and the setups I'm personally watching before market open, it's inside the Patreon. Link in the description.